We're about to build a lightsaber.
Go.
We have eyes on you. No.
He wants you, Cooper.
The Supreme Leader would like a word. Come on. Right here, please.
Have you seen anyone with the resistance in this outpost?
Uh-oh.
It seems one of you is wrong, Trooper.
There's an encryption matrix, sir.
You brought me on the word of these travelers.
I'm sorry, sir.
We're finished here.
Thanks for the help.
Ryder. He's so excited. Reese. Are you so excited? Cooper.
Welcome. I know that there's a lot of secrecy out there, but now you are safe inside our workshop, ladies. That's why you're here. To build this. A lightsaber. Building a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. And today, you will feel that connection. Blue. Wielded by the great Obi-Wan Kenobi, Anakin Skywalker, and now, Rey. Green. Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda, and Luke Skywalker. Violet. Rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by the great Mace Windu. Red. It is called the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now, Kylo Ren.
When joined, they are much more they will become. For you, it is done.
Activate. Builders, raise your sabers high. You did it. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith that have come before you. And like them, you too could change the galaxy. Remember, my friends, it only takes a spark. Please, deactivate your lightsaber.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path, only you can. May the Force be with you.
It was way cooler than the lightsaber one we did a little while ago. You actually you can see a real kyber crystal. You activate it. It's so cool. It's such a cool experience. So if you want to come here and do that, it was just so cool.
We just made our own lightsaber, and it was. I built a lightsaber.
You did? Was it fun?
Yes.